So Madalsa, welcome to Times of India first of all.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What all Madalsa likes to do in her free time? What kind of person she is? What are the things that makes her happy?
Personally, I love to spend time with my pets. It gives me a lot of happiness because spending time with them, unconditional love जो होता है ना उनका, वो बहुत रेयर है लाइफ में देखना वैसा. तो उनके साथ when I spend time, दिल से खुशी होती है मुझे. So that's one thing I love doing, and I love spending time with my parents because now I stay with my in-laws. तो जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है, लॉकडाउन में ज़्यादा मुझे मौका नहीं मिल पाया, but अपने मॉम डैड के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Because that's what I've lived with them all my life.
Yes.
So definitely, it's an amazing feeling. Or apart from that, like just I think. Playing, I play the video games sometimes because my husband Mimo loves to play video games. So because वो इतना खेलते हैं, उन्हें इतना पसंद है, तो मैंने सोचा let me also try. So आजकल I'm trying my hands on the Xbox. I don't know if I'm going to succeed, but that is something I would like. I like doing in my pastime, and definitely catching up with shows. That's about it. And working out, of course.
Okay. And how's your equation with Mithunda? It's more like a daughter-in-law, father-in-law, or as friends, or you consider him as a guide, a mentor into this industry. What kind of bond it is?
Mithun dad, what do I say about him? He is touchwood. He is the best. Seriously, I feel so blessed that Mithun dad ko I can call him my father. We don't share a daughter-in-law, father-in-law, daughter-in-law relationship. हमारा बिल्कुल एक father and daughter का ही relationship है. And जितना वो मेरे लिए care करते हैं, the way he looks out for me in life, the way he guides me, the way he gives me everything that I can look up to my father, na, just like that. उतना ही respect, उतना ही the same bond that I had with my own father, I feel with Mithun dad, because he makes me feel like that. तो बिल्कुल भी formal या father-in-law, daughter-in-law relationship नहीं है. It's a beautiful relationship that we share.
Madal साहब, आप पर्सनल लाइफ में भी आपने थोड़े बहुत उतार चढ़ाव देखे, रिसेंटली कुछ सालों पहले, तब से लेके अब तक में what are the changes that has come into you, and आपकी और मिमो की रिलेशनशिप और कितनी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हुई?
Well, I think hardships जब लाइफ में आते हैं definitely breaks you for a while, but when the hardship is done with, you evolve into a new person. And how much you embrace that is what that's what defines you as a person. That's what I feel. So I think we both, touch wood, we have come out so strongly, and we laugh at things. Abhi we are in that stage and we're in that happy place by the grace of God that we laugh at things. हम सोचते हैं, oh my God, we were so stressed and worried about things which are not even around us anymore, which don't matter at all to us anymore. So what matters to us is we are with each other, we support each other, we know what things matter to us. तो हम जिंदगी को उसी एंगल से देखते हैं, जिस तरह से हमें लगता है कि जो चीज हमारे लिए जरूरी है हम उसे ही इम्पोर्टेंस दें. एंड बाकी सब तो लाइफ में कितनी चीज आती है, कितनी चीजें जाती हैं. That's the journey of life. You can't change that. अच्छी चीजें होती है, बुरी चीजें होती है. Both help us to be better and better.
When hardships, suddenly hit you, how do you deal with them? मतलब आपने कैसे अपने आप को उस टेंशन से या उस हार्डशिप से निकाला बाहर?
अपने आप को टाइम देती हूँ, क्योंकि जब अगर like everyone goes through good and bad in life. So if I'm talking about myself, और अगर मेरे साथ कुछ not so good experience अगर हो जाता है, definitely अपने आप को उतना टाइम देती हूँ कि उस पे मैं I feel what I have to feel. If I have to feel sad about something, I will not force myself. No, don't feel sad. Step out of it. Because that's not going to happen. You have to be natural and realistic. अगर हमें कोई चीज हिट करती है लाइफ में तो उतना टाइम हमें देना चाहिए. बिकॉज अगर हम वो टाइम उस वक्त नहीं दें, इट्स गोइंग टू कम बैक कुछ टाइम बाद. वो प्रिटेंशन होगा, वो हैप्पीनेस या वो स्टेप आउट करने वाला, that will all be like fake. तो इसलिए I personally try to give myself time. I go through the entire process. I feel whatever I have to feel, and then after that जितना मैं feel कर चुकी हूँ ना, फिर it's easier to move on. Because आपने फील कर लिया है, तो आपने जितना भी जो भी होना था ना, उस पर आप रो चुके हो या फील बुरा कर चुके हो या whatever, उसके बाद ऐसे लगता है your body also starts telling you, your mind starts telling you कि अभी ठीक है ना, what's next, कितना एक ही चीज पर फील करते रहोगे आप, अब आगे देखो so वो फील हो जाता है, तो your brain is also accustomed to adapting new things in life after all, so you don't feel like staying back on one thing.
Also आजकल काफी ज्यादा एक डिबेट छिड़ा हुआ है नेपोटिज्म के ऊपर. You belong to a filmy family from your mother's side, and now you're married into a Bollywood family. What is your take? ये जो पूरा नेपोटिज्म का पूरा एक मुद्दा छिड़ा हुआ है, what is your take कि क्या स्टार किड्स को मौका नहीं मिलना चाहिए, उनके लिए सारी चीजें बहुत इजी हो जाती हैं, या do you really feel end of the day talent is the winner?
Well, I personally feel talent is definitely the winner, but also there is a reality that exists that when it comes to when we talk about very talented people who come from towns which are outside of Mumbai, यहाँ पे वो नहीं जानते, तो definitely base बनाने में टाइम लगता है. It's not easy, it's not an overnight thing कि आप कहीं ऐसे जगह से आएंगे जहाँ पे you don't know the film fraternity people, or maybe it's not just in films, अगर आप किसी corporate office में job करने जाते हैं, if you know the boss, if you have connections, if you know people in the corporate office, definitely contact के through आपको एक job मिलेगी, फिर promotion चाहिए तो if you connections के through या ये सब चीजों के through, life works like this. So you have connections, you have contacts, तो growth comparatively आपकी easy होती है, no doubt, but definitely उसमें आपका hard work भी depend करता है. अगर आप अपना जॉब अच्छे से कर रहे हैं, you will definitely get promotion. If you are not doing anything, if you are not doing your job, if you are not going to office, तो connections also at the end of the day useless. So nepotism के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो I feel कि definitely actors and star kids who have a backing, उनके लिए पहली बात तो meetings definitely become easier compared to actors who don't have contacts to begin with. Like you get to meet people, you will get to go to offices easily and meet directors and producers and people who you want to work with. But at the end of the day, आपको film भी जब आप film कर लेते हैं, जब film भी definitely people कुछ तो देखते होंगे, even directors they see something before they cast something. But जो वो एक Friday होता है ना, I think वो जो release से पहले जो exact दिन होता है release का, I think वो सबका fate decide कर देता है कि आप newcomer हैं, I mean as आप एक star kid हैं या आप एक complete fresher है coming from outside of Mumbai or anything, तो वो Friday बड़ा से बड़ा star kid को भी zero कर सकता है और एक person who doesn't know anybody in the industry उनको भी 0 या 100 कर सकता है. So it all depends on the fate of your film at the end of the day. So I think that's what matters. वो Friday है because at the end of the day it's the audience which is going to come to the theaters and watch your film. आपकी film अगर चलेगी नहीं, लोग देखने नहीं जाएंगे film, तो फिर star kid होने का भी कोई it doesn't help you at the end of the day.
And do you think ये जो इस तरीके से everything is going on, banning star kids and all, do you think it is justified because कहीं ना कहीं उनके parents ने भी उतना hard work किया है and every person works hard to give that kind of lifestyle or that kind of thing to their kids. So कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगता है कि justified नहीं है इस तरीके?
हम सब life में मेहनत करते हैं so that we can leave something behind for our kids, right? We all do that in our own ways as much as we can do. तो ये बात पर allegate करना कि नहीं star kids को पूरी तरह से ban कर दिया जाए doesn't make sense because फिर हमारे parents का जो इतना effort है, what is that for? And it's not just that, but it's also it's not fair, I think. कि you can't just because somebody comes from a background and somebody gets an opportunity, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि it's just because of the film name. Like I said, at the end of the day, if somebody is casting you, somebody is putting so much of money on you, तो डेफिनेटली वो रिटर्न्स भी तो देखेंगे ना.
बिल्कुल.
अगर वो आपको कास्ट कर रहे हैं, इतने करोड़ों रुपए लगा रहे हैं आपके ऊपर एक फिल्म में, तो वो ऐसे ही तो नहीं लगा लेंगे जस्ट बिकॉज योर फादर और योर मामा इज अ बिग स्टार. तो इतने पैसे थोड़ी उड़ा देगा कोई आपके ऊपर. तो ये सब तो देखते ही हैं एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. तो पेरेंट्स, आई मीन जो भी हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारे लिए करते हैं वो हमारे लिए काम आए तो इट्स फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड ओनली. बट इसको इस तरह से देखना कि स्टार किड्स को बैन कर दिया जाए, आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज अ फेयर थिंग to be very honest, considering the fact that what happened was extremely traumatic for the industry, very 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 traumatic. And but जो लोगों ने इसको बना दिया है थोड़ा ओवर द टॉप हो गए हैं एक्चुअली. वो जो एंगल है और जो एक्चुअल चीज है ना, उससे लोग भटक गए हैं. People are talking about things which are not related to what the actual problem is or the actual problem was to begin with. अब यहाँ वहाँ की सब चीजें शुरू हो गई. But what about what happened? It's all going haywire now. I think यही हो रहा है फिलहाल.
And thank you so much for taking out time for us.
Thank you, Vijaya. Thank you so much.
And all the best for the show. Hope you have a rocking run on television.